Hey everybody, it's Liz Costanzo, the ISS for Social Studies here at headquarters, and I am pleased to introduce you to the Personal Professional Learning Pathway, which we actually introduced you to it back to school, but this is the time we're actually going to get started. These were in response to your request for more personalization in your learning, and the ISS team listened, and we've put this together for you, so we hope that you like it, and we're looking forward to your feedback. You have several choices. As you can see in the list, you'll select one of these choices to focus on this afternoon. Each of these have, except for the Social Studies Educator Induction and the AP Teacher, each of these have a lesson plan connected with it. So, and you can either use the UBD lesson design template or the inquiry design model. So basically, you'll go through the course, and in the end, after you've done your learning, you will have the opportunity then to create a lesson plan where you can apply that in your classroom. What is also unique and really exciting is that the ISS team, got together and they have put together an opportunity for you to utilize this time as part of a graduate credit opportunity. Wherever you see an asterisk, indicates that this course is also being offered for college credit. So you would do the 2.5 to 3 hours during the professional learning time, and then you have the additional coursework outside in order to earn that college credit. So, recommendation, if you are new to teaching social studies in DoDEA or a new social studies educator, for example, you taught science last year, this is your first year teaching social studies, we highly recommend the Social Studies Educator Induction route. This is where you will look at what we've been doing for the past couple of years, dig into your standards and also the C3 framework. For the other ones, they're kind of set up the same. So we're going to take a look at middle school disciplinary thinking skills. In this, our enduring understandings stay the same for all of our courses. There's knowledge and skills and an essential question that will kind of guide your work. You will have a performance task. It's all listed here. That is your assignment for the day. And then what's really cool about the middle school skills is that these are all of your choices, and there are tons of them. So basically, you select on middle school skills here, and then you can read the overview of each of these courses that are being offered. So you can have the choices here, and you'll have the time to go through the course as well as the time to do your lesson planning. That is one of them. So then let's take a look at, let me go back here. And they all follow that same format. So you guys are looking for the performance task. What am I going to be accomplishing today? And then they have the learning that'll go with it. So meanwhile, back at our chart here, we also have the AP Teacher, and this one for the first quarter is designed to allow you the opportunity to really dig into your resources, and there are some guiding resources available there to help you through the online process and what's available. And we know that you guys have requested this as well. So you're looking for asterisks indicate college credit, and you have 2.5 to 3 hours to complete, depending on what time it is where you are, and to complete your work. We hope you really enjoy this, and if you have any feedback for us, please let us know. This has been a great effort by the ISS team to put something like this together for you guys, and we hope that you like it. So enjoy your afternoon of learning, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your ISS. For those of you in Europe East, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help. Have a great afternoon of learning, and we're looking forward to your feedback. Thanks.